First, let's take a look at the Rust project structure. We've got a source folder. This is where all our source files will be located in. Inside this source folder is main. This is the main entry point of our program. Beneath that, you can find target. Target is, as soon as we build the project, the binary, and debug build is going to land inside the target folder. Git ignore we can just skip. And now let's come to cargo.log and cargo.toml. If you're familiar with Node.js, so JavaScript, you've probably came across package.json and package.json, the log file, the package underscore log, I think, .json, something like that. So the log file here is auto-generated and you should never need to touch it, and especially not during our tutorial. Now, cargo.toml is where we will find all our dependencies, all our packages we will import, and during the course we will edit it. If you follow along, however, using .code School, this will be done for you. This step is only relevant if you're following along using tutorial or raw. To keep your code clean and easy to read, we use a tool called rustfmt. To access all the latest features of Rust format, we specifically use the nightly toolchain. To configure this behavior of rustfmt, we will create a rustfmt toml file. Now we need to install the Rust formatter. To do so, we type in our terminal rust up component add rust format -- toolchain nightly, because we want to use the nightly version. In my case, it's already up to date, but in your case, if you haven't installed it yet, it will install the tool. After installing this tool, go ahead and copy these settings. These are the settings we're going to use, and you will probably find them as well somewhere down in the video description. Now, if we run cargo plus nightly format fmt, it will format the project and provide a consistent look. So right now we can see there are no changes, but we don't have any code yet. As soon as the project will grow, we'll write code, and then you should occasionally, from time to time, more frequently though than less, run this cargo nightly format command. Another popular tool in the Rust community is Rust Analyzer. It provides many functionalities and features like code completion, import insertion, go-to definitions, implementation type definition, and. However, to provide this kind of functionality, it needs to compile your code. In code bases which are very large, like the Polkadot SDK / Substrate, this is not really feasible. It is more of a hindrance in these kind of projects because it takes such a long time to always compile when you do changes. And because of that, the creator of this tutorial recommends to not turn on Rust Analyzer. I personally always turn this on whenever I can, because I find it does increase my productivity and gives me insights through these features, as you can see here listed below. But choose for yourself. Now it's the time to either install it or not.